Who did your dog bite?
Is she on something? Drunk or something? All right, let's check out this video. This lady brought her dog to Walmart and it bit people, apparently.
Stop. What's going on today? Somebody called and said your dog's biting people?
He is.
Okay. Where's the people that got bit?
31 unit check.
You have no idea where they went?
2122.
Well, you can't talk or nothing? What's wrong with you? Okay. Are you bit?
I don't know. How do you not know if you're
Can you
bit?
just tell me if you're bit? You can't tell me?
Okay, what is she doing? What was she doing there? She trying to run away? It wasn't a very good attempt at it. I'm not sure.
Come here. You're not going anywhere. You're going to stay here. Okay, that's fine.
I want to file a report.
Okay. Can you just stop? Okay.
She wants to file a report for what?
Okay.
Hey.
Who did your dog bite?
Is she on something? Drunk or something?
Somebody.
Hold the dog with your both hands on the leash, please. What?
Why?
Because I said so. If your dog comes at
What's
me,
wrong with this lady?
I'm gonna kill it.
You're going to kill my dog.
If it comes at me and bites me,
You're going to kill my dog?
do I speak another language that you don't understand?
Think so. You said you were going to kill my dog.
Yes, if your dog bites me, I will.
What's not to understand? Control your dog. It just bit people. It's going to suffer consequences if you don't control it. Seems like she only heard, I'm going to kill your dog as a threat. I don't know. Let's continue.
Okay?
All right.
Let's grow up a little bit. Let's act like adults, okay?
All right.
Yeah, it's kind of hard for some
You want to hold on
people.
to your dog?
I got it.
Okay, I don't think you want to play these games, okay?
I got my dog.
Good. What's going on here?
Considering
Why am I at Walmart today?
it just bit people, I don't think you do.
Go ahead.
Been walking away. She should be arrested right now.
Owner's not going to be cooperative.
Detained.
Where'd you get bit, sir?
I got the video.
Okay.
I got bit in this.
Okay, do you want an ambulance? Do you want an ambulance, sir?
Yeah.
Did this happen in the store? Did she have the dog in the store? Surely not, right?
Okay.
I want to file a report too.
Okay, you can do that with animal services, okay?
You can't file a report?
We don't do that. That's animal services that'll handle that.
I was attacked.
What's that?
I was attacked.
What is she
Send a
doing?
video to me.
Is she like 3 years old or what?
The victim would explain that he'd been walking outside with his cart of groceries when the dog turned and bit him on the butt. He'd also tell the officer he'd seen another man get bit near the entrance.
At least she didn't have the dog in the store, because that'd be crazy.
Oh, he was at the yeah.
What your shirt say? I got your back.
Okay.
Dumbass.
Okay, we'll have the
dumb.
ambulance.
All right,
come
well,
check you
she's a
out.
low IQ retard, you can tell already.
You dumb as...
Can you stop talking
I'm
like
not
that?
talking to you, am I?
Can you stop talking
Am
to
I
other
talking
people like
to you?
Why are
She
you
should be in
yelling? Can you
handcuffs
act like an
already.
adult? Can you act?
You don't act like this. You're supposed to be a grown fucking woman. You're out here with your dog. It's biting people. You're acting like you're freaking 3 years old. It's ridiculous. She should be in cuffs. Detained at this moment. She's being aggressive and she's being an idiot. Look at these guys in the suits, though. Coming into Walmart. Styling.
Adult.
You don't talk to me like that. Are you my mom?
You ain't
Are
gonna
you
do.
my dad?
You ain't gonna do
No,
shit
you-
about it.
you-
Tighten up. Tighten up.
Yeah, your mommy and daddy should have talked to
Watch
you
out
like
for that
that.
pole. It snuck up on you. Didn't
Idiot. Ran right into the pole.
You done bit 3 people. Look out.
3 people already.
it? Go ahead and do that, all right?
Look at it. It's aggressive.
All right, we'll have the fire department come check you out,
Did you
okay?
see the video?
It's not the
animal
dog's
services
fault, it's
will
her
handle
fault.
All of that when they come out here, okay?
Service will
See?
handle all of that.
Look, I was just walking by and them dogs.
You know, if you went to her house, it'd be a shithole. They neglect this dog probably. You know, probably just throw a bag of food down and forget about it. It's probably dog shit, dog piss all over her house.
You see the camera? You better
And
see
there's
the
a camera right
and
here,
there's a
too.
camera right there, too. Yeah. You on camera. You
She's definitely on something, drunk, something. She's under the influence of something. She should be at home, not out in public.
see me on camera.
Look, your dog is out of control.
And your mama
Look,
is out of control.
look at it. Look, what is... Ugh. This is going to piss me off so bad. And she's giving people attitude. Like she's a victim, of course. I just don't understand how she's not being detained already. It's crazy. She should be in handcuffs.
Let's go. Sit. Sit.
Like this dog has any training, telling it to sit. Ridiculous.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Hey, you can't get a thing out of me.
I'm asking your name and date of birth.
You can't get a thing.
Now, at this point, yeah, you gotta. It's just over from right here. You arrest her. She admitted to her dog biting. She's done nothing to control it. She's escalating the situation, making it even worse than it needs to be. She obviously has no control over the dog. So remove the dog from her, put her in cuffs, and do something with the dog. Find it some training, a better owner, something, because she obviously is not capable and doesn't even care.
You can't get shit. Play hot boy and then you can get the away from me. That's what you do. You and you. Racist ass cops. I don't know.
Now they're racist. It didn't take very long. We're 4 minutes in, and of course the cops are racist. Her dog's not allowed to bite people without consequences because of racism. You can't make this shit up.
Let's go.
I told you to stay over here.
And I told you to stay right there.
Man, you understand you're not racist.
I understand everything.
Good, very good. Thank you. So you'll know to just stand right over here.
And I know you better get back.
I don't think you want to play with me.
Yeah, I don't think
They have been way too lenient on this woman. But I would not put up with this. She would be detained probably 3 or 4 times by now. I wouldn't tolerate it. They shouldn't be either, honestly.
Hey, come back. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Where?
I told you to stand here.
And I told you to stand here.
We're not doing that.
And we're not doing it.
Hey, look at me right now.
She's got problems.
Keep your
She
dog
doesn't need
there.
to be on the street.
You stay right there. All right? That's all.
Finally, they're going to do
That's all
something
we're doing.
about it. Maybe they were waiting
All
for the
right.
dog catcher. I don't
Don't
know.
touch him.
All right.
Don't touch
Don't touch
him.
him.
You got it?
Don't touch him.
Stop. Taking this off.
Hey,
Put your hands behind your
All
back
right.
until we get this sorted out.
All
Cut your
Nah,
shit.
there ain't
No,
no
like, no.
until we get this
Okay.
sorted out. She needs to be going to jail.
yeah.
Got it?
You better move back. 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 Drake. Get
Drake.
back. Draco.
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 Named her dog after a gun.
Draco.
Oh, it's a riot around her waist.
Draco.
After the officers placed her into the patrol vehicle, they continued to try and get her personal information.
Ma'am, quick question for you.
No. See.
Are you diagnosed with any mental illnesses?
See. You see me, bitch?
She
Do I
needs to
see
be.
you? Yes. See.
Are you diagnosed with any mental illnesses?
See.
Have you had anything to
She definitely is suffering from several mental illnesses and low IQ. It's obvious.
drink today?
Z, bitch, Z.
What
You
is
see a
Z?
Z? A Z. That means Z and Z away from me. That's what that means. Z. Bitch, Z.
How old are you?
There's no reason for her to be acting like this. It's just ridiculous. Again, this is not the dog's fault. There aren't any bad dogs. Just bad dog owners like this idiot here. We allow way too much. We're way too tolerant with these people. Lock these people up for their own benefit and the safety of the public. Just a thought. Let me know what you think down in the comments, though.